Brand associations. Brand associations are the mental connections that consumers make between a brand and various attributes. Feelings, or ideas. They are the thoughts and emotions that come to mind when someone thinks of a particular brand. Essentially, they're the building blocks of brand image and brand equity. What are brand associations? Mental connections. They are the links in a consumer's memory that connect a brand to specific concepts. Influencing factors. These associations can be formed through a variety of factors, including advertising and marketing campaigns, product experiences, word of mouth, brand logos and visuals, celebrity endorsements, company values and actions. Positive or negative. Brand associations can be either positive or negative, and they play a significant role in influencing consumer behavior. Why brand associations matter. Brand recognition. Strong brand associations make it easier for consumers to recognize and recall a brand. Brand differentiation. They help to differentiate a brand from its competitors. Purchase decisions. Positive brand associations can influence consumer purchase decisions. Brand loyalty. Strong brand associations can foster brand loyalty. Brand equity. They are a key component of brand equity, contributing to the overall value of a brand. Examples of brand associations. Nike. Associations with athleticism, high performance, and just do it. Apple. Associations with innovation, sleek design, and user-friendliness. Coca-Cola. Associations with happiness, refreshment, and tradition. Volvo. Associations with safety and reliability. Building positive brand associations. Consistent branding. Maintain a consistent brand message and visual identity across all platforms. Positive customer experiences. Provide excellent customer service and deliver high-quality products. Strategic marketing. Develop marketing campaigns that reinforce desired brand associations. Align with values. Ensure that brand values and actions align with consumer values. In essence, brand associations are vital for creating a strong and memorable brand. By carefully cultivating positive associations, businesses can build brand equity and foster lasting relationships with their customers.